to Clarissa. I wonder what happened to her. She turned into a baby. I'm not under a baby. Okay, just I'm sorry, I'm not behind. It's because the kids are playing and we're having a party. It's her sister's birthday and she is turning 16. I do not know where the decorations are, so we're not going to be able to show you. We might, in the next video, we might be doing slime, but just a little bit that she could keep. Because I already have a big gallon of slime. So she's gonna do a little bit. So let's do the bit. So I'm gonna do it. Just turn the camera around. Don't turn it around. Just go like. Okay, now hold it like that. Hold it. So now we're gonna be making slime. I'm gonna make it for her because we have a container. Some glue. Hold it. Hold the video. That little. Yes, I did. But it's what? Now I have that little bit. Maddie, go get the activator. Pause it because I'm gonna go get the activator. Guys, I think that over past the activator. My hands are full of it. Oh my gosh, can you come? Oh, the video comes. Okay, so sorry guys, but I have to wash my hands. So basically I'm already done. I had a lot of activators, so basically I'm done. Okay, wait. Now I'm gonna start mixing this because it's like pretty sticky. So I'm gonna let her mix this part. Okay, here. It's pretty sticky. Okay, here. Just hold it all. It's so sticky though. It is so sticky. So I have like a lot of kinds of slime because I have like a slime collection. One slime is a squishy slime. Isn't that so weird? This is a squishy. So let me show you my squishy slime, guys. So let me show them. Like, you dropped the water. Oh my gosh. And this is my squishy. So I did a squishy slime. It's a squishy.